Do you have an excavator within the size range of 1 to 24 tonne and you're looking for a bit more versatility to your fleet? Are you looking for an attachment that's going to give you the ability to do your general digging, but then quickly be able to switch to a grab function, making sure that you're not wasting time swapping attachments, adding to that unnecessary downtime that you don't need? If that's something you're interested in, then stick around. In this video, we're going to be going over our all-in-one bucket. Hey guys, Lachlan here from Attached to Equipment, and in this video we're going to be going over our all-in-one bucket. Now, I really want to show you how efficient, versatile and reliable this attachment is. So stick around, let's go over all the features and benefits of this attachment. Our hoses are routed from the twin rams. They are routed underneath the ears here as well. So this obviously minimizing your risk with keeping them well hidden. You're going to experience less downtime and less snags and hookups as well for yourself. We also supply a HB 400 cutting edge on the internal side here. So as the jaw opens, it actually gives you a grading function if you're trenching or anything like that. But it is very wear resistant, being HB 400, so maximizing the longevity of this unit as well. A great feature of this unit as well is the serrated teeth. Now they are constructed from HB 400. So what you'll experience on either side of these units, you've got one on the inside and one on the outside. You'll experience if you're picking up a log, it'll create greater grip, easier to pick up these objects as well. Ultimately, this material will prevent bending and chipping of the teeth of the serrated edge. So you'll experience a longer lifetime out of it, giving you more back from this attachment. For ultimate performance for you, we've made sure to add our integrated side cutters. So these are made from S690 material, so ultimately giving you a very clean cut, as well as making sure it can last over the lifetime of the unit, giving you greater return on investment. Now we have also added our removable ESCO style teeth for you, making it easy once again. The unit does come with a double radius curve as well. So for you, it's going to work with the geometry of the dipper arm, making sure to follow the natural flow of a digging motion. Again, just speeding everything up, reduction in wear as there's less ground contact on the back of the bucket. On the back of the bucket, you will also see our HB 400 wear plating. So this is of course to prevent any cave-ins, any wear on the back of that bucket. Here at Attached To, we back our customers and we want to give you the ultimate support. Therefore, every bucket from Attached To will be under our industry-leading 3-year warranty. So that's 3 years on all material and manufacturing defects, as well as 12 months on hydraulic components. Now, of course, price does depend on your situation, but roughly we are starting at just over $3,400, and it does move up to the top model going to over $16,000. So this depends on the size, depends on what you need and if there's any adjustments needed. We know for you as an earth moving professional, you need attachments that's going to give you the greatest return on your investment. Now here at Attached To, we have made sure to design and supply only the top tier quality of buckets, grabs and hitches. So if you're in the market for any more attachments, be sure, give us a call, send us an email and we will help you find your next performance package. With quality service and reliable backup support, you can count on Attached To be your true single source attachment supplier.